The best leather case can add a more aesthetic and premium look to your iPhone 14 Pro. Also, it is something that can deliver the utmost protection without adding much bulk to your device. Even some leather cases boast the ability to hold your cards and cash, so you got everything at your fingertips. In today's video, we have listed the top 7 premium leather cases for iPhone 14 Pro that feels and looks premium. The Shieldon Folio case has all-around protection and an outstanding leather build that can add extra safety to your iPhone 14 Pro. There's even a wallet in the case, which lets you store up to 3 cards. And to keep your personal information safe, it is equipped with RFID blocking technology. This folio case even can be used as a kickstand for adjustable viewing angles. Besides, the inner side of the case is soft to the touch and has hard shock-proof edges to protect iPhone 14 Pro from drops and bumps. Apart from that, this case has a lifetime warranty. Lupa Legacy is a folio leather case that offers a sleek and slim design for your iPhone 14 Pro. It is thin and pocket-friendly, making it easy to take with you on the go. Also, it can hold up to 4 cards and cash, so you get everything you need in one place. To last forever, this case is made with luxury PU leather. Also, this case is designed to protect your device from all angles by wrapping around the 4 corners of your iPhone 14 Pro. Plus, it can shield your iPhone's display and camera from scratches and external damage. Furthermore, this folio case is compatible with wireless charging but doesn't work with MagSafe. The OtterBox Strata Folio leather case allows you to keep your cards while ensuring maximum protection for your iPhone 14 Pro. The leather provides soft to the touch, yet you get a polycarbonate shell for 3 times better military standard durability. Plus, this case is a pocket-friendly and wireless-ready, which works with both QI charging as well as MagSafe. The provided magnetic latch adds a distinctive touch while closing the case. And yes, you can store up to 2 cards in the card holder. Nomad Modern Leather Case has a fond of classy looks while offering rugged protection to your iPhone 14 Pro. This premium and classy case comes with full-grain sustainably sourced leather that patinas over time to develop a dark and lustrous sheen. Even the leather is aniline dyed to achieve a brilliant color. With the internal shock absorption air and TPE bumper, this case protects your iPhone 14 Pro's up to 10 feet. Besides, an integrated neodymium magnets array lets you use all essential MagSafe accessories. Also, this modern case comes with a raised bezel that provides a safeguard for your screen and camera from getting scratched. Moose Limitless 5.0 is another premium case that comes with a unique leather pattern design. It is made of TPU, TPE, and polycarbonate materials to ensure optimal durability, so you can be confident your case will last as long as your iPhone 14 Pro does. Besides, the impact-absorbing AeroShock technology and microfiber lining can protect your iPhone from all kinds of external damage. With built-in N45 magnet array, allows you to use all kinds of MagSafe accessories with your iPhone 14 Pro. Not just that, you can experience a quick wireless charging without removing the case. Also, your iPhone's screen and camera are protected from the surface by a raised bezel. A leather case that can store all your important cards and cash, along with your iPhone. Meet the Bellroy Mod Case, which brings wallet accessibility right to your fingertips. The leather used in this case is premium eco-tanned and comes with a gold rating while keeping the case slim. On overtime uses, this case develops a unique patina. Also, it is equipped with a Mod Rails connection system that lets you securely snap the Mod wallet to keep your cards and case safe. Moreover, soft microfiber lining and chamfered edges keep your iPhone a soft touch in hand. Plus, it is compatible with MagSafe accessories. Musho leather case for iPhone 14 Pro is well regarded due to having vegetable-tanned eco leather. It turns gorgeous with each passing day since it boasts a patina. It even has a gold rating for eco-friendliness. This premium leather case fits your iPhone 14 Pro perfectly, all thanks to Japanese microfiber and satin-like interior. Furthermore, this case is compatible with all MagSafe accessories and can deliver hassle-free quick wireless charging. With metal buttons that are dyed to match leather, you can get a better responsive click. Also, your smartphone's screen and cameras are well protected from the surface by a 1 nanometer raised bezel. Overall, the Mujjo leather case can let you experience functional, beautiful, and satisfying use along with your iPhone 14 Pro. So that was all about the top 7 premium leather cases for the iPhone 14 Pro just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.